This video, I will explain the top 10 tips of make.com which save you a lot of time and it will separate you from beginner to an expert. So let's start it. Here you can see this is my scenario that I built for client, and now I want to export it and send to the client to check it is right or like any improvement. So here make.com provide a solution for it. You can see here the export three dot option here. So basically you can click here, just you can see here, and you can see here are four options: import blueprint, export, and copy and move to folder as well. So we are here exporting the blueprint. Just click there. So you can see here it is downloaded. So it means my this whole automation with all mapping, it downloaded and exported as a blueprint. After exporting, I want to show you how to import it as well. See here, and I am creating a new scenario. Just click on the blue option plus icon, just click on it. And here, again, you can see here, this is a blank scenario. And you can see here the three dot option, just click on it. And now we are importing the blueprint that we export earlier. So just click the import blueprint option. So here this is option like choose JSON blueprint. So just click on it. I already this one and open it. And you can see here this is option like import blueprint. I am just clicking on it. Now you can see within 1 second, the whole scenario came in with 1 second with all mapping. You can see here the filter, everything came in within 1 second. So this alone save you a lot of time. So after exporting, you just reconnect account and it will run for yourself. The tip number 2, actually the copy paste module between the scenario. So you can see here I have a Gmail module. So I want to use this Gmail module in my this route as well, and the third route and the fourth route as well. So I have two options, just using the manual option, like again selecting Gmail and copy paste the same setting like I have done this module. So the other option make.com provide, just like you can see here, the two options properly in the scenario. So you can see here I have a Gmail module. So I want to use this Gmail module in my this route as well, and the third route and the fourth route as well. So I have two options, just using the manual option, like again selecting Gmail and copy paste the same setting like I have done this module. So the other option make.com provide, just like you can see here, the two options copy to clipboard and just paste there, and you can drag it, it will connect it this one. You can archivate this one. So for this, again here, again paste this one, and now you can see. Now you can see all the Gmail module has been connected with all the same fabric. I am showing you here, like I have set this one like this one. So make.com actually capture the module number. So you can see here, I this one. I know you can see here all the setting like we done in the first module. It will show here as well. So actually this will save a lot of time. The tip number 3. So you can also copy paste the filter as well. So you can see here I applied the filter here. You can see here. So I want to use exact same function in the fourth part. So here again I like two options, manually click that, and this will save a lot of time if I have a lot of module in this. So make.com provide a solution here. Just you can see here, right click on this option, and now you can see under this one, copy filter. Just click on it. And after that, like here again, right click and paste. After pasting, you can see here the same filter applied into this path as well. So again, if you want to use this one, just paste there. Again, this one. This alone save you a lot of time during your automation setup. Tip number 4. Imagine you deliver to the client this automation. After 1 month, he came and see a error in this automation. He don't know what each module purpose of it, like Gmail for this module. He don't know what is the purpose of this Gmail modules, and he don't know what is the function of set variable modules here. Actually, make.com provide a solution here. Just right click on it and you can see here this is the option of add a note here. Just click on it. You can see here the note sections. I am naming here like send to client. So I am saving it. Now you can see here this option. Whenever your client came and see that this one, he immediately know that this module is actually function sent to the client email. So also I can name it like you can see here. Whenever client came and see that this blue option and just click on it, he immediately know what is the purpose of this module. This tip only separate people who build the automation for a hobby and the people who build the automation as a business. So you must try in your next automation setup. Tip number 5, you can rename your scenario, rename your module as well. This 10-second setups will make your whole scenario readable and professional level. You just right click on it and you can see here the rename option. Just click on it and like here you name it like you can see I am naming it like welcome email and just save it, and after that I am here rename like contact and saving it. Now you can see here this module name I actually changed to welcome email and this also changed to contact, and you can see here the difference between this is actually showing a simple Gmail option, and here upper you can see I name it and it look a professional scenario. Tip number 6 is ondo and redo. Here it means like you can see here I am deleting it. So earlier if I accidentally delete the module and something delete the whole scenario, so we build it from scratch. So make.com actually provide a solution here. So you can just click on it. You can see here ondo option. It will back. This new update make.com provide last month and this alone save our time lot. Tip number 7, so you can see here I make a scenario and it look terrible here. After whole setup I want to like auto elegant it. So the option make.com actually provide here. You can see here this dotted option here. Just click on it. It will automatically elegant within second. So actually this is very good option in make.com. Tip number 8 is schedule a module. So you can see here now it is showing like immediately as data arrives. I want to schedule it. Just click on it and you can see here just click on these options and you can see here I want to run it once. And here I select a date as well, specific date and time as well. And I'm selecting here like daily and here and another time as well. So it means you can schedule a scenario to a specific time. Like if you are a business and you want to like update on daily 9 a.m. So you can set here like schedule as you want. Tip number 9, set variable module. With the help of the set variable module, you can actually normalize the data. So again, I am like building a set variable module. I am just add a module here and you can see here the tool options. And under this, just click on the set multiple variables. So here like I want to structure the name into it. I am naming it and just Like you can see here a first name here. Like here I'm mapping a first name here. So it means after that, if someone change the form structure to first name or something to a name only, so if I not use the set variables, it create an error in my scenario. With the help of set variable modules, even it is changed there, I structure are already there, so it will not create an error. So I always use the set variable module in my scenario. The tip number 10, the most hidden feature of make.com, which most of the beginners skip and they don't know. So here it means like if you set up the whole automation and you want to analyze how it actually works. So make.com actually provides a solution here. You can see an option like here, explain flow. Just click on it. Now you can see our animation is running. This animation actually tell us like how your data actually work in the automation. So this is actually a good feature in make.com to analyze how your data transfer from one module to another one. If you want to learn make.com in this channel, I will explain the real automation from scratch. So if you follow me, you can learn completely about make.com. So please like and subscribe my channel. See you in next one.